Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add images in Google Flow step by step. If you want to use your own images as a reference or include them in your AI video project, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account and open the project where you want to add an image. If you haven't created a project yet, click *** new project * and create one before continuing. Once you're inside the project workspace, look for the option to upload or add media. Depending on the latest version of Google Flow, this may appear as upload ***, add image ***, reference image ***, or an image icon. Click the option to continue. A file browser will open on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the image you want to use, and click *open ***. Wait a few moments while the image uploads to your project. After the upload is complete, the image will appear in your workspace. You can now use it as a visual reference when generating AI videos. In your prompt, describe how you want the AI to use the uploaded image. For example, you can ask Google Flow to keep the same character, environment, colors, or overall composition while creating a new video. If multiple reference images are supported, upload additional images to give the AI more visual information. Using clear, high-quality images usually produces better results than low-resolution or blurry pictures. Before generating your video, double-check that the correct image is selected and that your prompt clearly explains what you want. Then click *generate* and allow Google Flow to process your request. Once the video is ready, preview the result carefully. If the AI didn't use the image exactly as you expected, try rewriting your prompt with more specific instructions, or replace the image with a higher quality version and generate the video again. Finally, save your project so you can continue editing later. If your project is complete, use the *export** or download ** option, if available, to save the finished video to your computer. And that's how you add images in Google Flow. Combining detailed prompts with high-quality reference images is one of the best ways to create more accurate and professional-looking AI videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow tutorials. See you in the next video.